Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to give a thumbs up to this video, and to leave your comments below. Also, I'd really appreciate it if you would share this video with your friends and your family. So, we'll be checking out another one of our Jamaican proverb. And today, the one we'll be looking at is Bad Pickney and Young Mule, a one. The term Pickney refers to a child, while a young mule symbolizes a spirited and untamed young animal. The proverb playfully suggests that both share a penchant for mischief and unpredictability. The mischievous antics of a child and the spirited nature of a young mule parallel the unpredictable twists and turns that life often throws our way. There are several lessons to be learned from this seemingly simple proverb. The first lesson is embrace unpredictability. Just as you can't predict the next move of a mischievous child or a young mule, life is inherently unpredictable. Embrace the unexpected and be prepared to navigate the twists and turns with resilience, flexibility, humor, and definitely a positive disposition. The journey becomes more enjoyable when you learn to dance with the rhythm of unpredictability. Delving deeper, the proverb hints at the innocence underlying the mischief. A child's mischievous acts often stem from curiosity and a desire to explore the world around them, much like a young mule testing its boundaries. There's an endearing quality to their behavior that's incomparable to the apparent chaos. The second lesson is seek understanding in chaos. Behind every mischievous act, there lies an opportunity to understand the underlying motives and intentions. Instead of hastily judging, take a moment to delve into the heart of the matter. Just as a mischievous child, or pickney as we say, may be driven by curiosity, people in your life may have reasons for their actions that are worth exploring. The whimsical charm of the proverb also invites us to reflect on the fleeting nature of youth. A young mule's spirited energy is an asset, but it requires careful guidance to transform it into strength. Similarly, a mischievous child possesses untapped potential that, when nurtured correctly, can blossom into creativity and innovation. The third lesson, nurture potential with care. Recognize the potential within yourself and others, even in moments of mischief. So, misbehavior, misconduct, or naughtiness. Just as a young mule needs guidance to channel its energies, individuals need support and encouragement to harness their true potential. Welcome the responsibility to nurture potential, and you'll witness the transformation of chaos into brilliance just because you took the time to care. Bad Pickney and Young Mule One paints a whimsical picture of life's unpredictability and the innocence behind mischief. It also shows the potential within untamed spirits. By embracing the charm of this proverb, we can learn to navigate life with resilience and accept the unplanned events of life. Seek understanding in chaos and be active in nurturing potential within ourselves and others. Do you know someone who could benefit from the wisdom of this proverb? Well, remember to share. There might be someone in your life that is faced with a bad picnic and young mule or one situation. It might be a child who takes everything lightly and lacks focus. It might be that one coworker who is a thorn in your side. Whatever the situation, I hope that through this proverb you may help them to see their situation from a new perspective. So the next time life throws a mischievous twist your way, remember the wisdom of this Jamaican proverb and face it with a smile. Remember, life is not always going to be easy. You're going to face twists and turns and challenges as you go along. So please Face it with a smile. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, give a thumbs up to this video and to share it with everyone you know. And also, leave your comments below. I look forward to reading them. And until next time, walk good.